This video shows how to use StatCrunch to graph a histogram. I will use this homework problem as an example. This is problem number 6 from homework number 2. Okay, it's asking you to construct a frequency distribution, right, beginning with a lower class limit 0 and a class width of 0.2. Okay, so even though they didn't ask you to use histogram to graph a histogram, I'm still gonna use a histogram to organize the data for me. So first, I will open this data with in StatCrunch. So click here. You will see something like this. Alright, so I'm going to go to graph and then histogram, click. So here I'm going to click this column because that's the data I'm going to use, and type frequency because they asked me to make a frequency table. Okay. So begins here, bins, begin, start at. So the data value we want to start at, if you go back to the problem, it says 0. Right? So start at 0, and the width is 0.2. Okay, width 0.2 here. All right. So now I can compute. So here's my table. As you can see, here's the class from 0 to 0.2, right? And the frequency here is 23, and the second class frequency is 4, third class frequency 2, and the next 3 classes frequency is 0, and the last class frequency is 1. And I can use these frequency to fill out to complete the homework problem. So for example, first class frequency is, what is it again, 23. Okay, second class frequency is 4. Third class frequency is 2. From 0.6 to 0.79, that's 0. And this is also 0. And this is also 0. And the last one is 1. Double check. It's 1. All right. And here's how you use StatCrunch to graph a histogram, or use StatCrunch to organize a set of data.